Nordstrom Rack. I actually bought these shoes a while ago. This is not what I bought when I went to Nordstrom Rack, but I haven't shared this in a haul video yet. These are from Vintage Havana, and honestly, I kind of think that they give off like Golden Goose vibes, but not enough to where it like looks like I'm trying to like wear Golden Gooses, you know what I mean? These actually came with like cheetah laces, but they also came with these beige ones. Definitely more into that vibe. The cheetah was just a bit much with the green on the back and the stars on the side. From Nordstrom Rack itself, first thing I got from Nordstrom Rack was this top, which if you guys watch my college clothes videos, you know I love tops that are like a little bit cropped, patterned like this, great for going out. Or I actually paired this with a pair of denim shorts, and it was really cute for just like running errands, or you can pair this with white jeans. I will say I was a bit hesitant to purchase it just because generally I'm a medium large in tops, honestly more towards large because I have a larger chest, but this top was an XL, so I was a little nervous about how it would fit. It's definitely a little bit boxier on me, but that's kind of like the style too. So that top that I showed you guys was $18.73. This top here was $14.97. It's just this super simple black bodysuit, similar to the one I'm wearing here. This one's more like a high neck one with the cutouts here. It definitely makes your shoulders look good. I feel like coverage up here and showing off your shoulders is a really flattering look. I honestly just didn't own a black bodysuit. I thought that this would be a great staple, either with a leather jacket or honestly anything. Like you can wear it with jean shorts, jeans, etc. So I'm excited about this. Definitely very comfy. I got this in a size large, and this was, like I said, $14.97. The last thing I got from Nordstrom Rack was this sweater, and it was a bit on the pricier side. It was $27. I did not say this earlier, but whenever I'm referring to prices, keep in mind I'm the one paying for all of this. It's my own money. I like to save it when I can. I've already worn this multiple times since purchasing it. I love this color. I actually paired it with denim shorts and wore that out on the boat one day for Liv's birthday, but also I could totally see myself pairing this with leggings in the winter, or even with like black jeans or something too. I just feel like this sweater is so versatile. Liv and I also went thrifting. The thrift store that I got this stuff from is called CHKD. I believe it donates to the Children's Hospital down at Virginia Beach, and I got 4 things there, and I want to say it was $20 for all 4 things, so great deal. The first thing I got was this silk top. I just love the idea of this. I definitely think I probably need to get it hemmed because it's a little loose around here, but if you're wearing like a leather jacket or a jacket over top, which I probably would anyways, you can't tell. I got this in a size large, and it's definitely a little bit big on me, but I still love it. I think I could really make it work, and it's $2.99, so why not? Do we like the ponytail, yes or no? Like, I just kind of want my hair out of my face right now. The next top, this is definitely more of like a business top, not that fun, but it's just this black Banana Republic top. It has this ruffle on the sleeves. Honestly, I picked this up because it's a great brand, and I need some more business tops because I'm in a comm school this year and I have little to no professional wear. This was in a size medium, and it was $5, so couldn't pass it up. And then these jeans I actually got with the intention of cutting. When I tried them on, I was obsessed with them. They just look like this. They have a couple of rips, and it's frayed at the ends. I love the fit of these jeans. It's definitely like very skinny up top, but then it's straight leg once you get into the calf, and I really don't have any other pair of jeans like this. Happy about these. These were $5 as well. This is all Marshall stuff. The first thing I'm gonna show you guys are something that didn't work out because I'm dumb and did not try these on in store. The fact that they were $13 kind of made them hard to pass up. I did in fact try them on last night. Turns out they don't fit me. They are my size, but they're just so narrow. Even though these didn't work, I wanted to share them with you guys so that we could all just revel in how cute they were. I got 2 of these workout tops. Both are from RBX, which is one of my favorite lines to buy from Marshalls and TJ Maxx. And this top is gray, and it kind of has these lines down the middle. Honestly, I got this because it looks like the Lululemon Swiftly Tech tops. I've already worn it once, and this was $10. This top was also $10. I haven't worn this one yet, and I just love the color of it. It's more loose fitting. Both of these I feel like could be great for working out or even wearing to class. This top I think I'm going to keep, but I'm unsure. It's also from Marshalls. This was in their teen section, so I got a size large so it would fit a little better. The only drawback I have with this is that this whole section here for like your boobs is a little too short on me, just because, you know, situation. I could seriously see this top with either black jeans or white jeans. Obviously compare this with regular jeans, but I feel like black or white would look cuter. I don't know, I like the idea of this top. We'll see if I end up keeping it, but I think I probably will. It was also $10. These were an impulse buy at the end of the Marshalls line. I thought that they looked like the Ray-Ban, you know what I'm talking about, those Ray-Ban glasses that every girl at a southern school has. These are just all black. I will say definitely very low quality, honestly. These are from Guess, which wouldn't you know it with the 2 labels on either side. I don't love that part of it, and unfortunately you can't take those off, but I think they're fun and honestly great darty glasses. So Marshalls had a ton of professional dresses on sale, and I actually got a few more, but I ended up returning them just because they were not my vibe. But I ended up keeping this one, which I really like the pattern of. It honestly looks like something you could buy from like J. Crew or Ann Taylor Loft. This was $12. $12. Once again, like I said, I don't have a ton of professional wear, so I thought that this could be good to have. The last thing that I got from Marshalls are these pillows. I saw these and I had a vision, guys. I used a gray headboard, actually it's right here, my first year. I'm going to be using the same headboard in my sorority house in a week or so when I move in. I was playing around with these pillows today because I feel like that really ties in the gray. These were $30 for 2, which, hold the phone. Here's my thought. I was like, well, I don't need 2 pillows for my dorm or my sorority house, but honestly at home I could do the 2 Euro pillows and then 2 of these. I feel like it would look a little bit elevated. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them. I'm going to think about that. I might bring them with me to move in, and then if it doesn't work, I'll just return them in Charlottesville. It combines everything I love, neutrals and a little bit of animal print. Fire. I've actually been putting off filming this haul because I was waiting for my Forever 21 package to come in, and let me tell you, when it came in yesterday, they delivered. So first of all, this top that I'm wearing right now, actually it's a bodysuit, is from Forever 21. I just feel like it's simple but still like very much my style. It goes with a lot of things. This one I got in a size medium because they didn't have the large, because generally in Forever 21, like the sizing on Forever 21 is just horrible. Generally, I like pick the biggest size because Lord knows I just do not know how their stuff is gonna fit me, but the medium actually fits pretty well and it pairs perfectly with 2 of the skirts that I got. This one is actually a skort. I was actually influenced by Lindy Goodson to purchase this because she wouldn't stop raving about it. She's one of my favorite influencers. She was talking about this, and this also looks like one of those like Revolve, like super down, that kind of skirt. I also saw this skirt on there too, similar vibes. This one is an actual skirt and definitely has more, it has a longer like waistline. I don't even know what to call this. I would definitely wear something over top of this. I wouldn't just wear this with the bodysuit just because it comes up so high and I feel like that's weird. I don't know, maybe I could get used to it. It totally depends. I'm not sure how much these all were. I had like a 15 or 20% off coupon, so I believe this was all like $80-ish for the entire order, and I got 2 more shirts, so 5 things total, not bad. The top I was actually extremely unsure about just because I thought the sleeves were weird, but I wore it in the video I filmed this morning about college clothes and I really liked it, so I think I'm actually gonna keep this. I could really just see this paired with like white jeans, or I mean I guess you could do black jeans too, but like really white jeans, or like even like a tight skirt. Ooh, like a white skirt. I own a white skirt. That could be a super cute outfit. Anyways, thinking out loud, I really like this top now and I just think it's like fun and flowy. It's different for me. And then something that's not so different for me is this top here. I mean, it is a little more edgy than I'm used to, but it's just like a classic top. It's slightly faded, slightly distressed, kind of like a cropped tee situation. I feel like this could be cute with any color jeans to wear to class. Could even wear it with leggings if you wanted to. This is super versatile, and I want to say this was like $12. So then at Target, you guys already know, like my favorite place, they were actually doing an underwear deal. It was 5 for $20, so if that's still going on, you guys should definitely check that out. I got so many cute pairs of underwear, but this is the internet and I'm not showing my underwear on the internet, so you can go look online for yourself. Anyways, speaking of undergarments, I did want to share this with you guys. This is a bra, but it's a non-underwire bra. I would say probably 90-95% of the time I'm wearing a sports sports bra, so this definitely emulates that vibe. I really like the seamless look of this and how it doesn't show underneath your clothes. Biggest thing for me is the straps, how they're thin. All of my sports bras have like very thick straps, and I just don't think that looks very good, especially like my Free People tops and stuff kind of are off the shoulder, so you can see those. I think I'm probably going to buy like 5 more of these. If you guys are looking for a new bra, I highly recommend. Then I picked up these shorts. These are from Wild Fable. They're a bit wrinkly because I just washed them. I am obsessed with these, you guys. These were $12, first of all, great price. They have a couple different colors, but I actually got these in a size up. I got a size large, and they're just so loose, flowy lounge shorts. Definitely make sure that you're wearing underwear underneath them though, because they are like super loose regardless of what size you get. The last thing I got from Target are something that I'm actually returning. I'm getting a different set of bed risers, but I want to show you guys that I got these for my bed in the sorority house just because I need some serious storage solutions in that room because there's just so limited space. These raise your bed 6 inches, 6.5 inches, and they were like $8. So if you guys are looking for bed risers, definitely check out Target. The last things that I got were from TJ Maxx / Home Goods. The Virginia Beach one was combined, so I'm not sure like which of these items you can get from TJ Maxx, which one's from Home Goods, but I first got this picture frame, which was $7.99. I love the pattern on this. I feel like this would be perfect on my desk or something like that. I just really like it, and I feel like picture frames with a cute picture of you and your friends makes great decor in any room. Then I got this little fake plant. This was $6.99. Once again, I think this could look super cute on my desk or where my bed is actually in our room. It's by the window, so I could put this on the windowsill. The last thing I got from TJ Maxx / Home Goods are these drawer organizers. They're pretty shallow, so our desks in the sorority house are just like one drawer. I'm just gonna use these when organizing because I have a lot of stuff to organize. I did that to myself though, who's surprised. This one's just a set of 3, and if I don't use them in the desk, I can also use them in the dresser because there's a couple more of like the shallow drawers, but really like these, and these were also $6.99, so a really great deal. That is everything. I will determine in post whether or not I think that this haul is really long, but to me, this feels like a lot, especially think about the fact that I purchased this all myself. No summer job, so perfect. Love that for me. Anyways, financial responsibility is not my best asset, but if you guys like videos like this or want to support my shopping habits, definitely subscribe down below to get notified whenever I post a new video. I'm doing a ton of college videos coming up soon, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.